Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started. This is the gold monthly chart I have made a long time ago, right? According to this, we have like this is wave three, big wave three from the bottom, right? Then we have wave four, and then wave five is underway. And out of that, we have blue count one, ABC 2, 3, ABC 4, and wave five is becoming extended basically. Or maybe this is wave one and two, and then this is wave three, God knows, right? But this wave, internal structure of this wave, which I think that is wave five, right, is like that. So let's take a look at the weekly chart, and that will clarify a little bit more. Now, this weekly chart, you can see that wave four ending here. So after that, we have wave one, two. Then this wave, the blue count showing the wave three, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and then this wave five still going to the upside, right? Big wave five. Now, if this is wave three, oh, sorry, this is ABC wave four, and then this wave five ended here. This is the end of wave five, actually, right? This. So with that 5 waves, we have this black count wave three ended here, right? Then what we need wave four, just like this big, or bigger than that, and sideways, right? Usually wave four comes in a flat correction or triangles and stuff like that, right? So now what we have here, let's take a look. When we were here, I said we're gonna drop to the downside, right? So let me show you some charts based on that. This is the wave three ended here, right? So I said we're gonna drop for wave four. And from there, what it started is like this. Then I start tracking on the 4-hour chart instead of weekly. So this is wave three ending here, and then we drop, and then even that internal structure you can see 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 3 and 4 and 5, and end up with wave five, right? Now wave three ending here, and now wave four, A, B, C. We're supposed to have that. So we drop here as wave A, right? Now either wave four, sometimes it can have zigzag, right? Which is like this, A, B, and C. Or most of the time, it comes in flat. Now, flat correction is usually A equal B equal C, right? And B goes as high as the end high of wave three. And then C comes as low as A again, right? So like this. That is, let me show you the flat correction example. The chart is this, the wave three, then you have ABCA, ABCB, very close to the C. I mean, wave three, the high, right? And then in in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Internal structure is 3, 3, 5, we call it, right? So wave C end up a little bit lower than wave A. So this B is not higher than wave three, but very close to that. So that's why we call it A equal B equal C sometimes, right? It's a flat correction. That's what it is, flat correction. Now, another type of correction might have is this, where B is a little bit this point B, right? So A, after wave three ending, we have A, then B goes a little bit higher than wave three, and then C comes below wave A, a little bit below wave A. So since this B is higher than that, and then C is lower than this, we call it expanded flat, right? That's the second type. And the third type is a little bit different than this one, and which is this, like wave three. Then you have A, B goes higher than wave three, like expanded flat, but C do not come below wave A. It stays above. We call that running flat, and then it goes boom from there, right? Usually this is like 78%, and then it goes up. So that is in a hurry, so we call it a running flat. So these are the 3 types. Now, for now, right now, let me see, again, we go back there. When we have this, right, so I made this chart. Let's go back again. Let's see what happened. So we went up there. So I said, well, maybe it's a zigzag, right? And then it from here, it started to drop. It says, okay, I was right, and it probably a zigzag. But it started to wobble here, and I said, no. This could be something else. So now This I said, well, this is A, and then A, B, and it's going to go up again for C, right here, or maybe higher, and that will be B, and then we will come down for C. So this one exactly went to the upside. Next chart, you can see it went up, right? Then I said, either if we stay below this, if the thing is that my analysis, if you notice that I always say if then, if then. If it goes higher than this high, then it will definitely go to this high, right? And then drop maybe, or maybe break this and go to the higher. But since it is here, I said, good chance that it's going to drop from here. So what happened? And then I wrote something else here, and this is very important, right? Price is in wave B of wave 4, which is the most complex and difficult wave of all. So need to be careful. Wave 4, the whole thing is usually very complex and very difficult, right? And you can clearly see what I mean, right? So now what happened? This chart started to drop, right? Very nice and clean. And I had several short trade here. Then I made another chart saying that we're probably going to go lower. And that's what I was expecting, right? And then I made this chart that we might be able to go down and finish wave 4 if we go below this, right? You see that I wrote down here that 24 is the key number. 26, 24 is somewhere here. 26, 24. This is 26, 38. Here, 26, 24, right? So I said, if we drop below, then yes. If not, then we go up. So that is a key number. Key number means it's either or can happen, right? So what happened? It didn't come down. It went up because of the fundies and all of that, right? So that happens. So it starts to go from here. This is a little bit expanded chart. So instead of coming down, it starts to go up here and then hit the TL. So I said, now it's a very good chance that we might hit the TL and then drop and then finish up this one. This could be like A, B, C, very nice and clean. But then it went up again to the upside. And let me see if I have the chart. So yeah, this is a daily chart, the same thing, but I made it like ABC after if we stay below the TL, right? But it didn't stop. Now also the weekly weekly charts I had made, along the way, 7 December, that it dropped, then we're gonna go up for B and then C. And what happened to this chart? Then we went up there, and then I made this chart on the 9th January that we're gonna drop maybe from here. I mean, I'm always looking for turning point. If we make the turn, then what's going to happen, right? If not, then obviously go to the upside, right? Where else we going to go? Or up or down? But you have to be aware of the possible turning points. And if it's not, the turn is not coming, and then volume time comes, and it continues going to the upside, you find your entry. If you're using a system, then you will definitely see the entry and then take that entry, go and right? So, but if it's going to drop, then I will see a short entry, not a long entry. That's the idea. So, but it went up more to the upside. Now, where we are now, right now exactly, we're going to go in the live chart and we see that we are, let me show you the daily chart here, right? So we went all the way to the upside. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. We already saw it, right? So we are as close as this high of wave 3. This daily chart shows like that, more clear chart, right? So this is the end of wave 3, then we have A and then B. In the B wave also is like A and then A, B, C, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. So that is the C ending wave B. If we stay below this, then definitely this is a B wave of a flat triangle. Flat regular flat. It's going to be a wave B. Even if it goes a little bit higher and then make the turn, that will be opening the door for either expanded flat or a running flat. Expanded flat will come from here to below A, and running flat will come from the high above the wave 3 high to maybe this much, and then or maybe this low to this here, right? You find support and then go to the upside. All right. So this is how it is. That's the problem with the wave B, that a lot of different kind of correction can come, flats and zigzags and triangles and complex correction, like, flat and then triangle and then flat and then triangle, keep going in the wave four, right? Just for example, if this is flat and after that is going to be wave X and then again a flat start, again continue on the side wave. That happens all the time. A lot of times, not all the time, but a lot of times, right? So hope it's not going to happen here. If we stay below this again, 2790, then I'm going to be looking for and to go to the downside. Right now, we came down below here and then went up, and then we're sitting on this 2758. Right now, we're doing it 2759. So we are just sitting here and waiting, right? Now, Monday, what happened? You all know now by now that DeepSeek came out and then it messed up the whole thing. All my analysis and everything went down the drain. Technicals gone out of the window and stock market crashed, this, that, blah, 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 right? And I just heard the news. I don't know if it's true or not or what's going to happen that even from China, the big giant Alibaba, now they came out of their own AI version better than DeepSeek yesterday. Right. So now what is going to happen? Right. A lot of people don't know about it, but it will, pop up again, maybe by tonight, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. And then I don't know what's going to happen to the market again. They're claiming that they're much better than DeepSeek. Now, DeepSeek was already what it did, it's like $1 trillion loss yesterday on Monday, Tuesday. So let's see if Alibaba is going to beat DeepSeek. Then what's going to happen and what's going to happen to the market, right? So hopefully, what I'm expecting, and be ready that probably the stock market will dive one more time. Okay, and let's see what happens to gold. Now, gold again. This is what I think we have still going on. We have 4 going on, and we have A, we have B now, and then probably it's going to stop here. It's wobbling already, right? Ranging, and then maybe start to come down for wave C. So, which will end with wave 4, and then we will go for wave 5. But right now, currently, pay attention to this number, 2758. We must go below that. 2763 is this, and then we need to go to one of these numbers and below that, and then we will definitely go in this one, and then this one, and then downside, right? So just wanted to share with you guys that this is what I think that is happening, and let's see what happens, right? Be ready for this Alibaba thing hitting in the market maybe tonight or tomorrow and shake up the whole market again, right? So what's going to happen to gold? I don't know. But like I said, the key number is this number here, right? So if you start to go to the upside above this and this 2763, and you find a long setup in a volume time London session, yeah, you can take that and then go to 2790, break that, it's going to go up, right? That's different. And then even a little bit higher, then it should still be a regular expanded flat or running flat. We still have a chance that we're going to drop. But right now, I think that this is better chance. And if we can stay below this, we will start to drop. And let's see if we start to drop, then I'll be all over this damn thing. Okay. So I'll take my trades and I'll show you guys. And if not, then whoops, let it go. Right. That's how it is. So this is it for now. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, so do so that you can get my videos on time, so that you can take advantage of these setups and take the trades accordingly. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.